Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel subscriptions on the Google Play Store. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And it will be great if you are already logged in into your account. But if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner profile icon like that. Click on it. For you it will be empty. Then go and click at sign in to log in into your account or even to create one if you don't have it. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account, so you don't go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. And trust me, it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find, as we said, yourself here with this home or this main page. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to cancel our subscription or maybe a lot of subscription on my account on the Google Play Store. So simply, if you want to do that, just go at the top right corner icon and click on that. Then you would like to click at payments and subscriptions. That will pop out for you. And of course, from here, you'd like to choose this subscriptions option, or it could be for you like prepaid plan, whatever. It could like be named another thing, but it will be the second option. Of course, for me here, I will just need to get started. I don't have any subscription, but for you, you would like just to select the subscription that you want to cancel. Of course, you'll be able to select it, then just tap at cancel subscription and follow the instructions and you will be actually good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.